Now those are satisfying sounds. Are you as excited as I am? Alright,
Ooh, nice.
let's unbox the Hero Xpulse Rally Kit. It all starts at trademark Hero at Chembur, where I go and pick up my rally kit. Of course, I stay in Bombay.
Awesome. That's the rally kit and it has all the details of whatever is inside.
Always good to make friends with people who own big trucks which can accommodate the rally kit.
Alright, that's Josh right there taking the bike in. You're going to see him a little later with a change of clothes. You know, he wears special clothes every time he's doing the bike stuff. You like to feel the bike when it's in gear? Got a lot of... So probably the clutch has a lot of play in it? Yeah, so the clutch needs to be adjusted. Just have a look at those bikes, man. Oof.
And a few days later,
Okay, so I got a ride in my Jeep. My wife dropped me. Here we are, back at Josh's place. Gotta fix the rally kit. What's up, Josh? Good morning.
Good morning, how are you?
How are you doing? That's Moni's, huh?
That's Moni's bike. Everybody's bike is here today.
you can add mine to the list as well. There she is.
Okay, that's
He's forgotten my name.
Vipin and Vinod, and Vipin's got his Christmas present.
Yes, Christmas came early. You know, there's something about bike parts that come in such big cartons. You know? The excitement. You just can't compare it, can you?
Just set it down right here. Yeah, I think that's good.
And a few more satisfying sounds later. Are you ready?
Oh, it's like a jacket that box. Boxes in boxes.
The biggest box is also the lightest, and that is the seat.
They give you the tubes as well. I'm impressed.
Set it on, yeah. So take the tires out, and then we can, once we get the wheels off, we can send Vinod to get them fixed. Ooh, Maxis.
Access. Looks nice, huh? Proper knobbies.
I, for one, am happy to get the tubes along with the tires. I mean, it's a nice thing to do.
I'll just take back with me and you just use the old
Vipin's
tubes.
got some new rubber. That's the front fork. Ooh, there's a cockroach. Oh, you also paid for that, man.
Yeah, where is it?
There he is. Look.
Awesome. He's come all the way from
So
Jaipur.
he's a
Jaipur's where the factory is, right?
He's an ADV cockroach.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'll give you more satisfying sounds. Nothing quite like that tape coming off, is it? And those are the front shocks.
Ooh, nice.
Oh, this is so worth it, the kit. 38 grand.
Yeah, it's really worth it. I think it's a really good deal.
I mean, I think Hero's really doing a great job by giving us this option.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah? Introducing the sport in a more
like-
affordable way.
Ready to go off road, you know, without too much of an effort. That's the top. Let's see just at the top. So one is probably going to be
Rebound.
it says compression there.
Yeah.
You can see compression. Yeah, and that says rebound. One is compression and one is rebound.
So that's awesome, huh?
Yeah, and
they
then
just both
you can just basically turn
tighten it a
with
little.
clicks.
Yeah.
Yeah. Very small clicks. Yeah? I'm
Yeah.
sure in the manual it tells you what the
What's the
stock
setting?
setting is, and then you can adjust it accordingly.
Maybe the rear
That's
spring.
the rear shock, the whole shock, yeah.
Go, man.
Nice.
Oh, there's adjusting here, bro.
Oh yeah,
Soft and hard, simple.
that's compression.
Yeah. Okay.
So to set your sag, you use preload, and this is to set
how hard?
how quickly or slowly it compresses
Okay.
at a tension here. Okay. Now I can start turning it till it comes to this point, which means the spring is
Further compressed.
further compressed.
And you get a longer side stand because the bike gains height.
So the handlebar risers and the
That's the
side
side
spring.
spring. Those are two bolts for the riser. The riser looks strange though.
Very simple risers is what it is.
And an extended gear shift lever as well. We'll put it side by side so you can see the difference for yourself. So that was the unboxing of the Xpulse Rally Kit that comes from Hero. In the next episode, Josh and I are going to install it on my Xpulse. Alright, see you later, alligator in a wild crocodile. See you soon, raccoon.